All right, so I managed to download these two objects, and this is one payphone, and it looks kind of simple, so I don't really like this. This is the other one that I got, and I added the materials and stuff, and this looks pretty good and usable already. So I'm going to stick with this one. I think I'll delete this, and I'll add this to our phone booth. Let's see. Phone booth is here. Scale it down. Scale it way down. And add it onto our... Where is it? Onto our telephone booth. Now let's see. It is a bit off. We can just fix this real quick. Object to, it's fine. Put this way at the back. In the center is it? Yeah. Do you think that's okay? Maybe too big? Nice. I think it's about the right size. That's fine. I have a light inside. That's good. Now we have our telephone booth as well. Maybe I can get rid of this. Yeah, I don't think I really need that, so that's fine. It'll do for now. Okay, so now we have our scene pretty much set up. We could save it and go ahead and check what that looks like in our rendered mode. Okay, the bus stop is looking nice. You can see the trees, the nice water, the reflections. We might need to drag this up a bit because there's this gap over here in this corner. Although we will be changing the animation in the camera a bit. Can't really see the telephone. Maybe a light on this side behind the camera to be able to see this. Maybe another lamppost, and these lights look alright, I guess. Shit, I zoomed in. Maybe some roughness and a noise texture on this, so that you can tell that it's rained everywhere, not just on this road. And also maybe trying to dim these out. These are way too sharp and bright. And then we can get to the cinematic part of this course, and I think my computer has frozen. Couldn't handle it, I guess. Come on, don't die on me now. Yes, I think I'm out of it. Almost. Okay, so what else can we add? Might need something in the background, like a starry sky, or maybe a few more buildings. I don't know. Maybe we could just keep it black, add in like a volume or a mist pass, and have it fade out. That could be an option. And we need to add a rain effect, like it's raining, and maybe set up the depth of field and the animation. And we should be done with this shortly. Let's see if this... Yeah, it's fine now. Okay, nice. Let's stay in this view. And the camera. We need to add another one of these lights behind so we can actually see what's written. Maybe over here. Okay, we need to add a shading, add like a noise texture to this. Let's see if we can add a noise. texture with a color ramp and connect it to mapping node, and let's connect it to our roughness. Now let's see how that looks. Can't really tell right now. Let's just view this, and now we can see it. Let's see, this is supposed to be on UVs, and this is way too the black is supposed to be where our water is going to be in the rain. Still looks too much. Let me crank this down. That looks better. Let's see. Might need to dull this out a bit. This is maybe make this, let's see, grayish. Actually, I'm gonna keep this in like a dark black, and I'm gonna turn the white to something a little darker. That looks about right. Kind of goes with it, right? Yeah, that's fine. Could mess with the detail a bit. Not too much roughness. On the roughness. Just a bit, I think. Not too much. Scale it up. Something like 20, 50, 60. Yeah, that's fine. Okay, that looks good. Good to go with this. And what we were supposed to do, we added the light, we added this, dim out these. I think we need to dim out these somehow. Let's see, this has an emission. Let's see, emission 0.5. Whoa, what is this? It's everything, I'm guessing. So what is this then? Do we even need this? Let's turn this down to 0. That's just fine. What's this? Turn this down to 0. What's this? Emission. Turn this down to 0. Yeah, we don't need any of these. The emission on this is can't find an emission for this. No, this is the emission. I think that's okay now. Let's see if we can render this out and see how that looks. Much better. Maybe a little too less. Maybe might have it on 1 or 0.5. Yeah, 0.5 is fine. Same goes for these then. What's this emission about? Actually, maybe I can switch to Eevee for a bit. Oh, that's what it is. Can you even see this? I don't know if I can or cannot, but I don't want to risk it, so I'll keep it on. That's fine. What's this? Aha, this is the real deal, I guess. This is the real deal. 0.5. Let's move on to the next one. This did have something on it though. Oh, these red lights. That's fine, we can keep this on 20. Like 10 even. And what's on this? Drag the emission down to 0.5. And same for this. Drag the emission down, where the hell? 2.5. The rest is fine. Save that. Okay, so now we have everything sorted. Let's just go ahead and increase this a bit. Do not want to stretch out, so I will go ahead and, oh, that's even worse. Let me just take it off of, and this is on UVs. You unwrap. Whoa. You smart UV project. That is weird. I think I'll probably just increase this a bit and that should look fine. Yeah, it's not gonna matter that much from this angle. From this end. Now, what do we need to do? Make a bit of camera animation, and then we are gonna, let's add the rain first actually. Now we have two options in adding the rain.